Hello, my name is Mike Benson, and today we're going to explore creating a video project using Apple's free video editing software called iMovie. iMovie is an entry-level video editing application, and it's available only with Apple products such as Apple computers, the iPad, and iPhone. If you're using a Windows computer, you might take a look at Windows Movie Maker, Wondershare Filmora, or Adobe Premiere Elements, which may require a modest fee to use. You might also want to consider professional products such as HitFilm Pro and Adobe Premiere Pro, which both require a fee. For both Mac and PC users, you can also use Clipchamp, which offers a free web-based video editing application. For more information on using Clipchamp, check our video tutorials. If you're new to video editing or just need to create a video quickly, iMovie is a great choice. The software is easy to use and it's also very powerful. You can quickly create video projects, videos for online learning, or create course assignments where students become creators, share their voice, and learn media design skills. Using iMovie, you can quickly import photos, audio, and video from a variety of free online sources, or you can import files from your camera, including your mobile phone or tablet. iMovie is generally installed as a standard application on Apple computers. The software can be found within your hard drive inside the Applications folder. If you don't see the software, you can also download it from the Apple App Store. Once you open the software, you will see this screen, which will let you create a new project. Let's select the Create New button. We'll then select the Movie option. This window will open, showing the entire iMovie workspace. This area on the left is called the Library pane or Event Browser. It provides access to all imported footage and works sort of like a media browser. This section is called the Events Browser, or just the browser, and it's where you import and access your files. Let's add a photo and a video by selecting this icon. We'll select this JPEG and this MP4 video file. The file then appears in the Events Browser. We'll use these files in a couple of minutes. To continue our tour of iMovie's interface, we have the viewer, which plays our footage as you edit. If you select a file in your browser, it will appear in the viewer. From here, you can make adjustments using these icons at the top of the viewer. For example, let's adjust this photo of a beach. We can adjust the contrast and brightness, the hue, and we can explore a variety of presets. For photos, icons related to video and audio are not available. If we select the video, we can make additional adjustments to the audio and video. This area at the bottom of the interface is the project timeline. This is where you will edit your video project. To add a file to the timeline, select the file here and drag it to the timeline. By default, photos are automatically assigned 4 seconds and video is imported at the length of the clip. For example, this photo is set to 4 seconds and this video clip is 33.4 seconds long. Once a file is in the timeline, you can edit the clip by moving this left bar or this right bar. If it is a photo, you can make the time very short or very long. For a video, you can make a clip shorter, but you can't make it longer unless you add another clip. You can also make edits to the file using these icons above the viewer. Video files that include audio will include a sound wave at the bottom. We can increase the volume of the clip by dragging this line up or down. We can also make adjustments to the audio using the icons above the viewer. If you select a clip while also holding the Control key, you can access this menu, which includes options such as splitting a clip and showing the clip trimmer, which allows you to make more precise clips. Above the browser, you can see 5 tabs, which are used to manage your files and to add text, backgrounds, and transitions. We will learn more about these tools in another video. Concerning saving your project, iMovie automatically saves your work within a file called an iMovie library. These files are located in your account's movie folder. We will need to name our project by selecting the Projects tab located here. Let's call this project The Beach. When we come back to the project, it will appear within the Projects window. In the next iMovie tutorial, we will explore preparing and importing files to our project, and we'll also use some of the more common iMovie tools. Thanks for watching.